Welcome back. Now we're going to talk about the area of a triangle. So consider a triangle over there. We've got its vertex, which is this point, this point, this point in orange. And then we've got the base and its corresponding height. So you're going to be aware that there are three bases in a triangle. And then each base corresponds to a height. So the definition of the height in a triangle is that it connects one the base and the vertex together, and it forms a right angle, or it's perpendicular to the base. And this base and then that height are a pair. So that's using the transforming thinking again. So we don't know the area formula for a triangle, but we know the area formula parallelogram from the last video. The previous video. So can't we use the formula of area of the parallelogram to figure out a triangle? I think we can. So consider we have a triangle here, it's this one, and then you duplicate it, you have another one, and you connect it by side to side like this. This one with dotted lines is the duplicated triangle, and then what we get is these. What can you notice? This is the base length. See this? Base length. The base length of the parallelogram is the same as the base length of the triangle. And then what's the height of the parallelogram? You can see that's the height of the triangle as well. So H, I shouldn't use capital H. H parallelogram equals to H triangle. It's just saying that their heights are the same. So base, in the transforming one, not always the same. Base parallelogram equals to the base of the triangle. And you can calculate the area of this parallelogram using the parallelogram area formula, which is area equals to base times height. So it becomes area becomes base times height. And what you can notice is that this parallelogram is formed by two identical triangles, because this one is duplicated. So how do we find the area of a single triangle? Simple, divided by 2. So we come up with our area formula for triangle, colored in red, which is area equals to base times height divided by 2. And if this height is not given to you directly, but this length is given to you, and this length is given to you, side length is given to you, this is called side length. You can actually use Pythagoras right angle tree to figure this length out, which is the height, and you use this formula. Next year when you're doing non-right angle tree, you will come up with a fancier formula for calculating the area of triangle, but we're not gonna talk about it in this video. See you in the next video.